Are you feeling overwhelmed by the constant buzz around Microsoft AI tools? You hear about Microsoft 365 Copilot, Copilot Studio, agents, and at some point, you don't know what each one does. So let me break this down quickly. The first thing you need to understand is the difference between agent and an assistant. Microsoft Copilot is like your assistant. It lives inside your apps that you already use, like Word, PowerPoint, Teams, and Outlook, and it also has a chat for you to interact with it. It helps you while you're working. It's great when you need to summarize meetings, rewrite an email, clean up some documents, or just avoid staring at a blank page. These are personal tasks where your judgment still matters. Agents are a completely different story. Instead of helping with just one task, they help you with an entire process. They follow rules and repeat the same steps without getting tired or distracted. If there's a workflow that a lot of people do in your organization, that's where an agent makes sense. So, before you just try Copilot, start by asking yourself what you need. An assistant that helps you during the day, or an agent that automates a completely workflow. With that in mind, define the task that you need, help, and choose the right one.